We want to go back to the situation on the Texas-Mexico border. We have in-depth coverage on the migrant surge from our partners at borderreport.com. They've been closely following developments at the border as they happen.
And you can find their work on our website. If you go to KXAN.com's homepage, hover over the News tab, and then click on Border Report. With that, we want to bring in Border Report's Sandra Sanchez. She is live for us in Harlingen. Sandra, we'll start with the latest. Can you give us sort of a snapshot of what's happening right there at the border?
Right. Thanks for having me. It's like 2014, 2015, and 2019 all over again. We have, as you know, thousands of unaccompanied minor children who are crossing into South Texas, as well as families with young children, that's tender-age children. This is because many perceive the border as being open since President Biden took over, and also a new law that went into effect in Mexico that prevents the detention of very young migrants. This morning, I visited the humanitarian respite center, which is a facility that helps these migrants when they come across. It tests them for COVID, and it helps them with travel plans and gives them a little food and respite and place for them to go. And I spoke to several people. They said they were on the road for upwards of a month. This was by 10 a.m. They already had 300 migrants at the facility, and they were looking at capping at least 600 people there today.
Well, today in Dallas, Governor Abbott called out to President Joe Biden's administration over the influx of unaccompanied children across our border. Let's take a listen.
Texas is willing to step up and help out, but this is the Biden's administration responsibility. In part, immigration is always a federal responsibility. In part, it's the policies that have been adopted by the Biden administration that have escalated the number of children coming across the border, where the Biden administration has made it clear that if you are an unaccompanied child, you will be allowed to come into the United States.
Sandra, what are your takeaways from the governor's criticisms today?
Governor Abbott said a lot of the same things when he visited the Rio Grande Valley last week. And one thing that struck me then, it struck me again today, is he continues to say that ICE, that's the Immigration Customs and Enforcement Agency, is responsible for testing unaccompanied migrant children. However, ICE does not handle unaccompanied migrant children. That they fall under the Department of Health and Human Services, HHS. As you know, there's a Donna tent facility where CBP officers are working side by side with HHS officers, and now they've sent down FEMA people to help sort these children. So HHS takes these children into their care, not ICE. So I've been a bit confused when he says that, and hopefully he'll clarify that in the upcoming days.
We'll keep following Sandra Sanchez with borderreport.com live from Harlingen. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.